Join Sewing Machines Plus and Mike Johns for our Embroidery Excellence event as he takes you through 2 fun-filled days of hands-on learning as you create projects on embroidery machines using the incredible Durkee Easy Frames and Durkee Cap Frame. Durkee Hoops makes the embroidery process a breeze by eliminating the need to hoop in a traditional manner. Durkee Easy Frames eliminate many of the common problems associated with traditional hooping, such as hoop burn, registration issues associated with improperly hooped fabrics, and the difficulty of tightening or loosening tension screws. This event is at both our retail locations in San Diego on July 18th through 19th and San Marcos on July 20th through 21st. Sign up online for $159 before June 18th and get a free early bird gift from Sewing Machines Plus.